to my channel. Today's video is going to be my second version of this video, which is crazy. It's going to be my belly transformation over the next 9 months, or I guess I'm already 3 months pregnant, so over the next 6 months. I am filming this video on April 6th, 2021, and you guys will be seeing it after I have my second baby. Last time I started at 12 weeks, so I decided to do that this time too. I cannot believe I'm pregnant again. I feel like I just was, so it's crazy. We also found out that it is a girl. I haven't shared that I'm even pregnant when I'm filming this yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and get into showing you guys my belly. Okay, first update. So I'm currently 12 weeks and a couple of days. So I'm gonna wear this outfit in every update just so you guys can see what my belly looks like in the same outfit. So I do have a little tiny bump. Not very big, but definitely different than before I started. My stomach, it wasn't flat or anything before I started, but definitely did not look like this. I'll also give just a brief short update of what's been happening. I have been so sick. I was not sick with COVID, so I was so sure this baby was a boy. Yeah, basically I've just been sick. I have no energy. I'm hoping that by 13 or 14 weeks when my first trimester is over that I will feel better, because it has not been super fun, but I'm excited to feel the baby move. I haven't felt anything yet except being sick and really tired. So that is my 12-week update.
Come on, dogs. Okay,
that's fine. Alright guys, I'm back for another update. I meant to do this at 16 weeks, but I did not. So now I'm 18 because I couldn't do it at 17 because that's an odd number. So a little bit of a bigger gap. I'm trying to do these every 4 weeks. I'll probably do one at 20. So just this update is off because 20 is halfway. I am 18 weeks now. Today is May 17th. 2021. This is what my belly looks like. It's definitely getting bigger, but I feel at this point, I don't know how much bigger I was when I was pregnant with Cove. I feel I showed a little faster this time, but now I don't really know if I'm necessarily that much bigger than I was at 18 weeks with her. I'm gonna have a little sister for Covey, which is gonna be super fun, and I can't believe I'm almost halfway. I have been feeling better, and I actually felt her move, and Parker felt her kick from the outside before I was even 18 weeks, but I don't think he felt Cove move from the outside and could feel a kick until I was at least 22 weeks maybe. So kind of crazy. I felt her when I was probably 14 weeks. I could feel little tiny flutters, maybe 15 weeks. Yeah, feeling pretty good. I feel it's gonna get even better now that I can feel her move, because that's my favorite part. So I have my appetite mostly back. I still definitely can't eat everything. I've actually been going to my workout class again at Orange Theory. So I've been working out a lot more and overall feeling pretty good. I feel some days obviously are just gonna be harder where I have no energy or whatever, but overall we're kind of in the fun part of the pregnancy, or gonna be in the fun part. So that is my 18-week update. Alright guys, so a couple weeks later I'm back with my 20-week update, and I am freaking feeling it already. I feel this pregnancy overall has been so much harder than my first one. I feel I don't remember in my last video having anything to complain about, but I have a few things today that are so painful. So today's June 1st, 2021. I'm 20 weeks pregnant. I was supposed to have my 20-week ultrasound today, but they had to move it to 2 days later. So I have an ultrasound this week, which is super exciting, but this is what my belly currently looks like. Probably not too much bigger than last time. I still don't know if I feel it's fully popped. In the morning, it's not super big, and to me, popped means in the morning, you kind of always have a belly. So there's definitely mornings where it doesn't look I mean, you can tell I'm pregnant a little bit, but probably only if you know. This week, Parker and I went to California. We had a little photo shoot that we had to do, and we were walking a ton. My legs, I don't think this is from pregnancy, but I think just overall my body is so worn down, I feel so my calves, my shins, my knees, everything is just hurting. And I feel I've been having this other pain for a few weeks now, but again, I don't remember saying it in my last update. I have so much pain down here. I can't even explain it. I don't know what kind of pain it is. It's not round ligament pain, but it's just down here, and it's mostly over on this side, and I can feel that the baby's kind of over here, and that's how Cove was too the first time that I was pregnant. So I don't know if she's sitting on my nerves or something, but it is just so so sore if I like lay down a certain way or sit a certain way and then try to move. I'm like so slow. When we were in California, we stopped at the beach to like just sit down for a second, and when I tried to get up, it like took me a minute, and Parker was like, oh my gosh, are you serious that like your body already is like that, where you're like slow and you're only 20 weeks pregnant? And I was like, yes, I don't know what is going on, but I feel her move around a ton. She kicks a lot, especially like at night when I lay down. She's moving all over the place. The other day she kicked me like right over here, and she must have hit a nerve or something, because it literally felt like an electric shock. I googled it, and that's what it told me, is that it like she probably hit some kind of nerve or something like that, or like a nerve ending. So it was so weird. I literally like twitched because it was like the weirdest feeling ever. This update's also getting really long, but I don't know, I actually have stuff to talk about this time. So that happened. This whole everything is hurting, but I've still been working out like 5 or 6 days a week. So far I've still gained like 15 pounds, I think. Last time at this point I had gained like 9 or 10. Yeah, that is the update on my belly. I hope that at the next one I'm feeling a little bit better. I don't know if it's gonna like go downhill from here or if it's just been like a rough couple of weeks, but that is the update at 20 weeks. So I'll see you guys at 24 weeks. Okay guys, so I am back with another update. I'm 28 weeks now, and I thought that I did one of these at 24, but I don't know if I did. So I think things got a little bit messed up. Currently 28 weeks, definitely feeling it. I literally think I've been feeling it since like even before 20 weeks. I don't know, but we actually just went to an ultrasound today. It was a 3D one, but the baby was like not really cooperating. So she is head down, which at this point they're still kind of like moving everywhere. We're going back in a couple days to do another one. So that was fun, but we didn't like fully get to see what she looks like. This is my belly so far. It definitely feels like huge, and to think that I'm already like 7 months pregnant is insane, but that is the update for this time. So my next one should be in 4 weeks, so I should be like 32 weeks. So see you guys then. All right, so I am now 32 weeks, which is crazy. I feel like this has gone by so quick. I feel like I'm in a little bit of better spirits now because I feel like I'm on the countdown. Cove came at 38 weeks, so I could only have 6 weeks left. So we will see, but this is currently my belly. I looked at my picture. I'm gonna come in. 32 weeks right now, so I feel like I'm almost to the end, and I'm like happy, but also sad. But I still have had like lots of pain and stuff, so it'll be good when it's over. But that is the update for 32 weeks. My next one will be at 36 weeks, and then I'll do 38, and then if I make it to 40, I'll do an update there. But this is 32 weeks. Okay guys, so I'm back with another update. I am at 37 weeks now. I wanted to do this at 36, but I just have messed up this whole video. I haven't done it like evenly. So today I'm 37. I'm actually just getting over a cold that I've had for a week. So that has been really sucky, being this pregnant and having a cold. But feeling a little bit better. I don't feel that good because I'm just like way pregnant now. But I went to the doctor today. I'm dilated to a 4 and 90% effaced. So baby could come any day. Cove came at 38 weeks, and right now I'm 37 weeks and I think like 3 days maybe. So hopefully she holds off for at least like a few more days. But this could be my last update. I'll do another one at 38 weeks if I make it that far, which I feel like I will because I'll be 38 weeks on Friday. But yeah, so this is my belly. I've had a ton of contractions, but they're just the Braxton Hicks contractions, which are like kind of practice ones. So they're not really painful. They just like are uncomfortable, and like your whole belly just tightens up. So that is how I'm feeling this week. I can't believe it's so soon. It's so weird when it gets to be that like the baby can come any day now versus like, you know, you probably have like 5 weeks left or 6 weeks left or whatever. We are just like finishing up all of our stuff that we need to get done, our work stuff today. I wanted to film this update today. Then we're just kind of on baby watch. So this could be my last update, but if not, I'll see you guys at 38 weeks. Alright guys, so I'm back with my last update, and I kind of failed because this is Lola and she is now 2 months old. I meant to do this when she was like a week old, but 2 kids is just crazy, and here we are 2 months later. Yeah, this is the end of the video. Here is what was in my belly. The cutest, sweetest little baby. I wanted to like document what my stomach looked like after I gave birth because it doesn't go like all the way flat. If you didn't know, you still look like you're like 6 months pregnant for like a while. So this is where I currently am at 2 months postpartum. I have been working out a little bit. I actually went to a workout class today. So I feel like I'm like healing pretty well. I definitely feel like not everything is quite like aligned where it should be. So I actually just went to the chiropractor this week too. Things are going good, but I just wanted to finish up this video and show you guys little baby Lola. It feels so good to not be pregnant anymore. That pregnancy was freaking hard. I haven't gone back and looked at like any of the footage yet, but I feel like I probably just complained in like every clip. Those are just my honest updates and my honest feelings, even though I'm so grateful that I was able to be pregnant and that I have this sweet little healthy baby. I will link my first version of this video with Cove down below if anybody wants to go back and like rewatch that. But that is it for this video. So thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.